Efficient way to remove keys with empty strings from a dict. I have a dict and would like to remove all the keys for which there are empty value strings. What is the best way to do this?
Python to Dict. Python 2.7.3.x. Note that all of your keys have values. It's just that some of those values are the empty string. There's no such thing as a key in a dict without a value. If it didn't have a value, it wouldn't be in the dict.
It can get even shorter than Brenbarn's solution, and more readable, I think. Tested with Python 2.7.3.
If you really need to modify the original dictionary, note that we have to make a list of the empty keys because we can't modify a dictionary while iterating through it, as you may have noticed. This is less expensive memory-wise than creating a brand new dictionary, though unless there are a lot of entries with empty values.
If you want a full-featured, yet succinct approach to handling real-world data structures which are often nested and can even contain cycles, I recommend looking at the remap utility from the Boltons utility package. After pip install Boltons or copying iterutils.py into your project, just do. This page has many more examples, including ones working with much larger objects from GitHub's API. It's pure Python, so it works everywhere, and is fully tested in Python 2.7 and 3.3+. Best of all, I wrote it for exactly cases like this, so if you find a case it doesn't handle, you can bug me to fix it right here.
Based on Ryan's solution, if you also have lists and nested dictionaries. For Python 2. For Python 3.
If you want to support the channel,